everyone, and thanks for returning to the Pokemon Buddy YouTube channel, and hi to all those new subscribers. Have I got any? Remember to pop over to Instagram and check out my collection up close, and you can even follow me on TikTok as well for more Pokemon related content. Today I'm opening 10 more packs of Battle Styles cards in order to find some of those secret rares, some of those golden rares, a Tyranitar, Mimikyu, Kricketune, Flapple VMAX,
8 hours later,
Rainbow Mustard, or even just a Corviknight. So let's go. We're back to the booster sleeve box, and as promised I'm going to open 10 packs in this video. And here are the 10 packs that I'm going to open this time. Very, very excited to see what pulls we get and aim for those last 62 cards that we still need. Okay, pack number 3. Keep the energy going. We're going to get something here. This is going to be a good pull. This is going to be a good pull. I know it's going to be a good pull because of that code card there. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Okay, Psychic Energy. It's not, obviously. Cacturn, Lever Ball, Ball Toy, Reverse Holo Calcol, and a Steelix Shiny. Yes, we did need that one. We've got the Onyx quite a few times, and now we've got a Steelix. Exactly what we needed. That was a good card. Definitely got one there that we needed. Okay, pack number... This feels really heavy pack, actually. Pack number 5. I've got good hopes for pack number 5. It's my lucky number 5. And it's a white code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy? Yes! Oh, 1 out of about 7 million isn't bad. Okay, let's see. This is going to be a good one. I've just got a really good feeling about this pack. Timber, Corfish, Cacnea, Reverse Holo Morpeko, and... Oh, Single Strike, Urshifu, VMAX, another secret rare, 167 of 163. Yes, I knew I had a good feeling about this pack. That is awesome, and it's going straight into one of these, just to keep it out of the way. Perfect. Okay, great pull on pack number 5. Pack number 6. And, oh, nice. A Vivillon. We haven't got that one. Add to the collection. That's good. It's taking those cards down slowly. Last pack. Pack number 10. Can we find a golden secret rare? Come on. Golden secret rare. That'd make my day. It is a white code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be Dark Energy. It's not, it's Fighting. Dottler. Indeedy. I feel like this is going to be a shiny rather than a full art card. Dramper, and Oh, nice. We absolutely needed that one. Shiny. It is the other form of Aegislash. that we've already got, but it's the other artwork to it. That is absolutely amazing. Brilliant one. I got that rainbow secret rare that I wanted, as well as an extra few shiny cards that I needed for my collection. Remember to turn those notifications on, because in the next video I'm opening another 10 packs of Battle Styles cards in order to complete this collection. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share this page with your friends. But for now, this is your Pokemon buddy, out.